When I was in college, I used to wonder what does a software engineer actually do and what skills should I learn to get a job quickly. These questions are common among freshers who are curious and eager to start their careers. Today, I'm going to answer these questions and more. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of software engineering. We will cover everything you need to know about working in different types of companies. Plus, I will share some tips on the essential skills you need and the latest trends in the market. So if you are ready to start or advance your career as a software developer, stay tuned. So let's get started. First, let's understand what a software engineer actually does. As a software engineer, you are responsible for designing, coding, testing, and maintaining software applications. Your task might include writing and reviewing code, debugging and troubleshooting, collaborating with team members, and continuously learning new technologies. Now let's talk about the different types of companies you might work for and the specific environments they offer. सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज क्लाइंट्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे फोकस करती है. आपका काम क्लाइंट के रिक्वायरमेंट्स पे डिपेंड करता है. सो यू विल नीड अ डाइवर्स सेट ऑफ स्किल्स. की स्किल्स इंक्लूड स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्युनिकेशन, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड एक्सपर्टाइज इन वेरियस प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस एंड फ्रेमवर्क्स. योर रोल may change with each project, keeping things dynamic and interesting. Second है product based companies. Product based companies develop their own products. Here you might specialize in either the design or development phase of the product. The work can be more structured, but the hours can vary. Some days you might work 4 to 5 hours, while during crunch times you might work 12 to 14 hours. Flexibility is essential, especially during critical project phases. Startups usually have smaller teams and limited funding. This means each team member often wears multiple hats, handling management, testing, deployment, and design. The workload can be varied and intense, but it's a great opportunity to learn and grow quickly. यहाँ पर flexibility and adaptability सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अब बात करते हैं कुछ एसेंशियल स्किल्स के बारे में जो एक अच्छे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर को आनी चाहिए. Remember, software engineers do not need to learn every programming language. However, having a strong grasp of a few key languages and the ability to pick up new ones as needed is essential. So don't stress about learning every programming language out there. Focus on a few core languages, keep learning based on your interests and career goals, and remember that depth of knowledge and understanding fundamental concepts are what truly matter. Proficiency in languages like Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript is a must. These languages form the foundation of most software development projects. Java and Python in particular are highly in demand in many companies. A solid understanding of DSA is crucial, especially for product-based companies. It helps in writing efficient code and solving complex problems. DSA skills are often a key focus in technical interviews. Knowing how to use version control systems like Git is essential for collaborating with other developers and managing code changes. Being able to break down problems and find logical solutions is a key skill. Practice regularly with coding challenges and real-world problems. Communication, teamwork, and time management are just as important as technical skills. They help you collaborate effectively and meet project deadlines. मैं बस ऐसे ही वॉक करते आ गई और मुझे यहाँ पर एक टी ब्रेक कैंटीन मिला. पे चार्ज होने के लिए, रिफ्रेश होने के लिए मैं बस थोड़ा सा बाहर आ गई। क्या हम यहाँ पे लंच कर सकते हैं? It's quite unhealthy. I'll show you around. अब चलो देखते हैं कि कोर स्किल्स की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है। As you know, the field of software engineering is dynamic, requiring constant learning and acquisition of new skills. Flexibility is key as engineers might need to switch roles or pick up new responsibilities. अब कुछ लोगों को लगेगा फिर ये DSA and Java क्यों सीखना है when this field is constantly changing and evolving? Despite the need to learn new skills on the job, having a strong foundation in core areas like data structures and algorithms, DSA, and Java is crucial. These skills are particularly important for securing positions in big product-based companies as they demonstrate the engineer's potential to learn and solve complex problems. अगर आप ये सब चीजें समझ जाते हैं तो आपके लिए हर टाइप की कंपनी के डिमांड्स और अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए तैयार रहना आसान हो जाता है। Now let's talk about what's trending in the software development world. AI and ML are revolutionizing many industries. Skills in these areas are highly sought after and can set you apart in the job market. Understanding cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud can open up many opportunities as more companies are moving to the cloud. Cloud computing skills are essential for modern software development. With the increasing number of cyber threats, cybersecurity skills are in high demand to protect data and systems. Understanding security principles and practices is crucial. DevOps practices like continuous integration and continuous development (CI/CD) help in faster and more reliable software releases. With the growing use of smartphones, skills in iOS and Android development are very valuable. Mobile development is a rapidly growing field with a lot of opportunities. To wrap things up, remember that the journey of a software engineer is filled with continuous learning and adaptation. The field is dynamic and you need to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the life of a software engineer. And remember, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious. See you in the next video.